Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to delete your account in Ikea. The first thing you need to do is enter the app. Once you are done with that and you are in the home page, you should look in the bottom of your screen and press on your account section there. After that, you can just look in the top of your right corner and press on the settings. Now you can just scroll down and press on delete account. Once that is done, you can just press on delete account once again. And after that, you just need to enter here your password, and after that press once again on delete my account and your account will be deleted. So that's pretty much it really. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you for listening and see you next time. Bye bye.